Dear children, the new topic company accounts, issue of shares for consideration other than cash. See, so far what we have seen, the taking money from the shareholders, money from the applicants, we issue the shares or we allot the shares. Now sometimes the company may issue the shares without taking money also. How we get the issues? So the company may purchase the assets or business of other business may be taken over, against which the amount is payable. So instead of making the payment in cash or through check, the company may issue the shares against the purchase consideration. Purchase consideration means the amount payable to the vendors. Vendors means the supplier of asset. Now this issue is known as issue of shares for consideration other than cash, means without taking cash. So other than cash, so the company may issue shares. So now, see, a company may issue shares for consideration other than cash, that is against purchase consideration or purchase of assets of the business. The issue may be at par or at premium. Of course, not only for this, sometimes the company may issue the shares to the underwriters and to the promoters, that we will see afterwards. Now let us see the entries for these, journal entries for the issue of shares against the purchase consideration of assets or business. When the asset is purchased, suppose a machine is purchased, machinery account debit to vendors account. Vendors, who are vendors from whom we have purchased the asset. The vendor company say. The asset account debit to vendors account being asset purchased. Now the issue of shares. Issue of shares may be at par or at premium. At par means at face value. At premium means more than the face value. Say, so assets account debit to vendors account. Sometimes the entire business of the other firm is taken. For that, assets account debit to liabilities to vendors. If the purchase consideration means net assets, that is assets minus liabilities and vendors, the account, these two, and for this the difference is there, then that it is to be debited to goodwill account, means for the purchase of goodwill. So see, purchase of goodwill is recorded. See again once I am telling you, the assets account debit, two liabilities, two vendors. In such a case, if the credits are greater than the debit, then the difference is debited to goodwill account. So see, another, sometimes assets account debit to liabilities and to vendors. See, the debit is greater than credits. Then in such a case, the difference is put to the credit of capital reserve account. See, being as a business taken over. Here, either of these entry will be taken. Either this or that. Not all the three. If only asset is purchased, assets account debit to vendors. If the entire business is taken over, either this or that. If of course both are one and the same, assets account debit to liabilities to vendors. Only the difference. If the difference is there in the debit, then it is to be debited to goodwill account. If there is the credit difference is there, so then the credit is there to capital reserve account. This is for purchase of asset or business taken over. Now for issue of shares, the vendors account. Vendors, who are the vendors? From where we have purchased from whom we have purchased the asset. Vendors account debit to share capital. Being dash shares means number of shares issued at par against purchase consideration. And vendors, the debit, here it is credited and here it is debited to share capital. Or if the shares are issued at premium, then vendors account debit to share capital to securities premium reserve account, being as many number of shares issued at premium against purchase consideration. Here in both the cases, we have to state the number of shares to be issued. Number of shares to be issued is equal to amount payable upon issue price of share. Issue price means here by face value. Amount payable upon face value of shares. In this, amount payable upon the face value plus premium. Why? Because here premium at premium the shares are being issued. This issue is no issue of shares. So is known as issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Say against share the purchase consideration of assets or business. So now, let us see again. A company may issue shares for consideration other than cash. That is against purchase consideration of assets or business. The issue may be at par or at premium. At par means at face value. Means so if that share is of 10 rupees, at 10 rupees only the company issues shares. At premium means 10 rupees share is being issued by the company at 11 rupees or 12 rupees, etc. Let us see that. Yes, entries. Asset account debit to vendor's account being asset purchased. Assets account debit to liabilities. Whatever the assets are taken means when the business is taken over, not a single asset is taken, number of assets. Say stock account debit, building account debit, debtors account debit, the two liabilities, two creditors, two outstanding expenses if any. Two vendors account, the difference will be the vendor's account is credited with the purchase consideration, means agreed price, agreed amount. So this much will be paid to you against the assets and liabilities. That is purchase consideration. If the assets and lesser than the liabilities and vendors, so then the difference is put to goodwill. Means we are issuing more than what we are getting. So the difference is for goodwill. Or means either of these three are at our past. Assets account debit to liabilities to vendors. If the assets portion is greater than these two, then the difference is credited to capital reserve account, being business taken over. Here also being business taken over. Here only one asset is being purchased. So for the second entry will be for issue of shares. Here shares may be issued at par or at premium. Vendor's account debit to share capital being dash shares are issued at par against purchase consideration. At par means at face value. Or if it was agreed to issue the shares at a premium, then vendor's account debit to share capital account to securities premium reserve account, being dash shares are issued at premium against purchase consideration. Now, in these two cases, we have to put a note as number of shares issued. Amount payable means what is the purchase consideration, means amount payable to vendors upon issue price of share. See here, in this a point is to be noted. Sometimes the company may issue it, some amount, issue a check for some amount, and the remaining is issued as shares. For issue of check, money means payment by the bank or by through bank or by check. Then after passing this entry, one more entry is to be passed when vendor's account debit to bank, means a direct payment is given, and for the remaining amount shares are issued.